and about the thing with Elon Musk and his first purchase after graduating university. He bought a local business directory for just a few $100s, renamed it to Zip2, built it up, and just a couple of years later sold it for $307 million. It just goes to show that with the right knowledge you can turn a purchase into an incredible investment. Speaking about Elon Musk, do you know the surprising thing he and his employers often do after work? Be sure to stick around to find out what it is. Today we will go through the 6 specific items to buy to build your wealth that the average person unfortunately neglects. Building wealth is a time-consuming process in most cases. Although the idea of becoming an overnight millionaire appeals to many people, the only real way to become wealthy overnight is through speculation, inheritance, or a lottery win. The following list is a great checklist to speed up your path to wealth. So let's jump straight into it. Number 6. Wealthy people don't spend much on cars. Buying a used car instead of a new one can save you a lot of money in a variety of ways. A used vehicle will cost less based solely on the sticker price, but that's not the end of the savings. In terms of fees, insurance, and vehicle depreciation, you will also be reaching for your wallet much less than if you drove a brand new vehicle. According to Experian, the average monthly payment for a used vehicle in the third quarter of 2021 is $465, while drivers financing a new vehicle paid closer to $609. Saving more than $100 per month quickly adds up, and you could end up saving thousands by choosing a used car over a new one. So now we know not to buy that brand new Ferrari the first thing we do. However, I'm not sure we should buy a used one either. Number 5. Wealthy people read books. Reading books on money can help you gain in-depth insight and get your finances in order. Reading personal finance books on a regular basis will help you understand the key concepts that will help you manage your finances better in the long run. Developing a healthy money mindset is easier when we are inspired and guided by others. One of our favorite books is Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Reading books like these is extremely beneficial and will teach you how to develop a better money mindset. Many of the books the wealthy read are directly related to money, while others are more focused on mindset and how it can be applied to anything in life. Having a few of these in your library to refer to at any time will be extremely beneficial to you. So it's high time to head over to the bookstore and put on those reading glasses. Number 4. Wealthy people invest in stocks. The importance of investing while accumulating wealth cannot be overstated. Very few of us have the financial resources to grow our wealth effectively with only a savings account. Instead, the compounding returns that come with investing are required to accumulate significant wealth over time. Most people often have the opportunity for tax-advantaged investments, most often through your employer. These enable your money to grow more efficiently and can make a significant difference in the long run. However, don't overlook taxable investment opportunities. Investing in the stock market, real estate, or other assets can help you grow your wealth faster than just putting it in a savings account. Investing in stocks entails purchasing small stakes in a publicly traded company. Those small shares are referred to as the company's stock, and by investing in it, you are hoping that the company will grow and perform well over time. If this occurs, your shares may become more valuable, and other investors may be willing to purchase them from you for a higher price than you paid for them. That means if you decide to sell them, you could make a profit. So make sure to do your homework, and you might be the next Warren Buffett in the making. Number 3. Wealthy people invest in self-improvement. Investing in yourself is one of the wisest decisions you can make. While you may not be able to pinpoint a specific return on investment, there is no better way to spend your money. Make an investment in yourself. Make an investment in your education. Learn and adapt. Grow. Find out what you are passionate about. There are numerous money-making courses available on the internet. The difficult part is deciding which one to use. The possibilities are endless, from ebooks to social media marketing, search engine optimization, and beyond. While there are many money-making gurus on social media, not all courses are created equal. Spend time doing your homework and research to find the best one for you. Just don't become a guru yourself. Unless it's profitable. Then you should go all in. And about Elon Musk and the surprising things he and his employers often do. Musk is a massive fan of video games and often ends up staying back at work playing games like World of Warcraft or Counter-Strike with his employees. It just shows that even the wealthiest of the wealthy prioritizes to relax, unwind, and connect with people. We have already covered 4 items on the list and only have 2 to go. Make sure to stay for the final one, as this is an incredible opportunity to level the playing field for the average person. And if you like what we do, you should consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Let's continue on. Number 2. The wealthy have rental income. Investing in rental properties is a good way to generate wealth. However, it frequently necessitates more effort than people anticipate. In order to earn wealth from rental properties, 3 things must be determined. Number 1. What kind of return do you want on your investment? Number 2. Total costs and expenses for the property. Number 3. The financial risks associated with property ownership. For example, if your goal is to earn $10,000 in rental cash flow per year and the property has expenses for $2,000 monthly and another $300 per month for taxes and other expenses, you would have to charge $3,133 in monthly rent to meet your target. So really understand the expenses involved so that you aren't taken by surprise at the end of the year. The only surprise we want yearly is a birthday cake. Number 1. Affiliate marketing, a wealth equalizer. Website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers use affiliate marketing to promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their website or social media account. It has grown into massive platforms for those looking to build a following and promote their products. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because you can earn money simply by adding a link to your website or social media account. In reality, you won't make any money if you can't get readers or viewers to click on the link and buy something. However, this is an incredible opportunity with a minimum investment that can really jumpstart your path to wealth. As you see, there are specific purchases and investments that the wealthy buy to keep them ahead. Much like Elon Musk did with his first purchase. There are always opportunities to take advantage of and have success with if we are selective and smart with our money. It's important that we start to emulate these purchases to make sure our path to wealth is primed for success. So whether it's making wiser choices in automobile purchases or reading the right type of books, we also need to start investing in stocks or even just in ourselves. The goal is to have a conscious, well-thought-out process behind any type of purchase. This is what the wealthy have instilled in them early on and something we should really analyze. And if you found this information educational, you should really further your knowledge by watching this next video where we detail the 5 untold habits of the wealthy that the average person doesn't do and take a closer look at the frugal ways of Mark Zuckerberg. I'll see you over there.